Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a more fun experience with your mic when you're on meetings, or if you're a gamer and you really want the full gaming experience, you need to check out this awesome mic from Haomuren. This mic has a complete setup so that's easy to plug and play while you're using it. All you have to do is use that USB cord. If you want to detach it and attach it to a boom mic, you can do that as well. It's very easy to take apart, but it stays nice and sturdy even if it's without its base. The mic has this really cool RGB lighting feature, and everything is workable by the touch buttons on the front. What I really like about it is no matter what color I'm going with on my mic, if I do the mute function, it turns red. So there's no confusion. I can fully feel confident that I'm muted on a meeting if I need to. The volume button as well as the echo button are on the opposite side, and they're also super responsive. My listeners on my meetings can hear me really well. The mic is also multi-directional but pulls in exclusively your voice. So if I'm in a meeting and I have outside noises going on, which I always do in my home, then I can be fully confident that this mic is what's pulling in my voice, but none of the other noises going on. This awesome mic is very durable. It's made of a hard plastic, so it feels nice and sturdy. And I really just feel like it's such a fun, modern mic to be using on meetings. If you're a gamer, you'll love it even more, but that's just my point of view.